Will investing in the Tata AIA Smart Fortune Plus plan the key to unlocking your wealth building potential, or does it fall short compared to other ULIPs in the market? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So this is a non-participating unit-linked individual life insurance savings plan. Some of the key features of the policy are: you can secure your financial future and that of your family with market-linked growth potential, and you can enjoy the option of life cover that can extend throughout your lifetime. You can choose from a diverse range of funds and investment strategies tailored to your financial goals. You can customize your plan with features like waiver of premium, continuity of maturity benefit, and income benefit to suit your unique needs. And you can benefit from additional unit allocations, especially offered to female policyholders and for higher premium commitments. And you can enhance your fund value over time with loyalty additions and a maturity booster. And there are 4 different plan options like wealth secure, future secure option, gold secure option, and family secure option. And all these plan options will have different maturity benefit and death benefit. So it will depend on which plan option you have opted for. So if you want to know more about it, you can definitely refer to the policy brochure. And there are also 25 investment fund options, and which you can choose from either from these options, or you can choose from any of the portfolio strategies like enhanced systematic money allocation and regular transfer or life stage based portfolio strategy. So the fund options are Emerging Opportunities Fund, Sustainable Equity Fund, Multi-Cap Fund, India Consumption Fund, Top 50 Fund, Top 200 Fund, Super Select Equity Fund, Large Cap Equity Fund, Whole Life Mid-Cap Equity Fund, Dynamic Advantage Plan, Flexi Growth Fund, Small Cap Discovery Fund, Whole Life Income Fund 2, Flexi Growth Fund 2, Rising India Fund, Mid-Cap Momentum Index Fund, Whole Life Aggressive Growth Fund, Whole Life Short-Term Fixed Income Fund, Whole Life Stable Growth Fund, Constant Maturity Fund, Target Maturity Fund, Business Cycle Fund, Whole Life Income Fund, Nifty Alpha 50 Index Fund, and Multi-Cap Momentum Quality Index Fund. So all these fund options are categorized based on how much percentage of allocation they have to asset classes like equity, debt, money market, and also according to the risk profile each fund option has, which can range from very low to very high. And there are also charges like premium allocation, policy administration, fund management, and mortality charges, discontinuance charges, but there are no charges like partial withdrawal, fund switching, miscellaneous, and premium redirection. But the thing is, this policy carries several charges that it sets it apart from other market-linked products. So these costs such as discontinuance charges, policy administration charge, premium allocation charge, and all can actually significantly reduce the overall returns on your investment. So this is a major drawback that will reduce the impact of your long-term return potential of this policy. So keep this in mind before deciding to invest in this policy. And if you want to know more about how this benefits and fund options and investment strategies and charges will affect your return in the long term and how much allocation they are going to give based on your plan option, you can definitely refer to the policy brochure for more in-depth detail about these aspects of the policy. Let us take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of this policy. So the advantages are: you can enjoy the flexibility of partial withdrawals with multiple options including a systematic withdrawal plan, chosen rate withdrawal plan, or index based withdrawal plan to suit your cash flow needs. And you can boost your investment with the option to pay an additional top up premium, and you can switch your investments between different funds at any time during the policy term without any charges, and you can use premium redirection to allocate future premiums to a different fund or combination of funds as per your evolving goals. At maturity, you can choose how you receive your benefits, either as a lump sum or through periodic payments over 5 years during the settlement option. And you can enhance your coverage with the flexibility to add riders for additional protection. So these are some advantages. Disadvantages are loan facility is not available under this plan. So this policy comes with a lock-in period of 5 years, and during the settlement period, the investment risk is borne by the policy holder. And while the plan offers a wide range of fund options, many appear to be repetitive, which can create confusion when selecting the right fund. So these are some other drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where to assess the plan's return potential, we are going to conduct an IRR analysis of this policy using the figures based on the policy brochure. So we are going to calculate the internal rate of return. So for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male opts for the well secure option under this plan. With a sum assured of 10 lakhs, a policy term of 20 years and a premium payment term of 10 years, paying an annual premium of 1 lakh. So at maturity, the policyholder receives the fund value. The policy brochure also gives you, so according to the policy brochure, we have going to calculate the returns based on two future assumed rate of return, like 4% per annum and 8% per annum, which are not guaranteed and do not reflect the plan's actual return potential. This is just for calculation purpose. So at 4%, let us consider it as the worst case scenario. The fund value is estimated at 13.92 lakhs, translating to an IRR of just 2.15% as per the policy's maturity calculator, offering minimal value over the investment amount. At 8%, which is the best case scenario which we have assumed, as the fund value rises to 25.34 lakhs, resulting in an IRR of 6.09% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So despite being a market-linked plan, the returns are closer to those of conservative debt instrument. For long-term goals, investment should ideally beat inflation, something this plan struggles to do so, especially when considering its multiple charges. So given the low return potential, Tata AIA Smart Fortune Plus plan may not be a suitable choice for investors seeking real wealth creation or inflation beating growth. It's a low yielding product that is better avoided for inclusion in a well diversified investment portfolio. So as this policy is not giving us a desirable outcome that we need as a long-term investor, we are going to explore an alternative strategy using other products that can deliver us better risk-adjusted returns by separating insurance and investment in this comparative analysis now. So for calculation purpose, let us assume an annual premium of 1 lakh, but instead of opting for a bundled insurance to investment product, we divide the amount and allocate it between these two effectively. So a pure term insurance policy is considered for the life insurance aspect. So with a 10 lakh sum assured, which costs us approximately 6,500 rupees per year, this leaves us with 93,500 rupees available for investment over the same policy term of 20 years with a premium payment period of 10 years. So depending on your risk appetite, this surplus can be directed towards either equity or debt-based instruments. So in the debt scenario, which is a combination of term insurance plus PPF, investing in a public provident fund, PPF, which requires a minimum 15-year commitment, we have made adjustments for compliance. So this one yields a maturity value of 27.59 lakhs. So the IRR stands at 6.65%, which is higher than what this policy offers despite PPF being a debt instrument. And in the equity scenario, which is the combination of term insurance plus ELSS investment, investing in an equity linked savings scheme, ELSS, yields a pre-tax value of 57.07 lakhs, and after accounting for the capital gains tax, the post-tax value is 51.26 lakhs, delivering an IRR of 10.81%. So if you have any doubts regarding the ELSS tax calculation, we have presented a small tabular column based on how the ELSS tax is calculated for your reference, presented on the screen, which you can pause and see. So this alternative strategy not only offers superior returns but also helps build a robust corpus to meet long-term financial goals. So when compared with the Tata AIA Smart Fortune Plus plan, which yields us lower returns even as a market-linked product, this approach clearly emerges as the more efficient and rewarding option for wealth creation. So now what is the final verdict on this policy? Is the Tata AIA Smart Fortune Plus plan worth investing or not? This plan offers 4 plan options, each varying in terms of death benefits and associated features. All options allow for market participation and aim to provide the fund value at maturity, combining insurance and investment under a single plan. However, a deeper analysis reveals to us that the plan falls short on both fronts. So, the sum assured is often insufficient to meet a family's basic financial needs, limiting the plan's effectiveness as a life insurance solution. On the investment side, the returns resemble those of a debt instrument, not one would expect from a market linked product, and it also has a high agent commission. The investment component fails to generate alpha, a key objective in equity linked investments. As a result, the plan delivers neither meaningful protection nor wealth creation, making it an ineffective tool for long term financial planning. A more efficient strategy involves opting for a pure term life insurance policy with adequate coverage. These policies comes at affordable premiums, freeing up more capital for investment. So by investing the surplus into a diversified portfolio aligned with your risk profile, you stand a better chance of achieving your financial goals.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.